Today we're going to spray the clear on this AMX with a Binks model number 7. The reason we're spraying with the Binks is it uses about half the air than a hvlp, and we only have this small compressor. We're also going to piggyback that compressor with this smaller compressor. It's a 1/2 horsepower Craftsman. After we spray a couple coats of base coat, I'll be back to spray the clear. Here's a shot of the other side before painting. The first coat will be a tack coat, just to get the paint to stick. Then we'll do 2 wet ones. I decided to switch to the 3M gun with a 1.8mm tip, and I'll explain why later. This will be the last coat. I sprayed the base with a 1.4 millimeter tip on a 3M performance spray gun, and I sprayed the clear with a 1.8 millimeter tip, and this is a fine atomization tip. This one is a hvlp tip. Here's a close-up of the 1.4 millimeter tip and a close-up of the 1.8. The reason I switched from the Binks Model 7 is because I noticed a lot of overspray or mist in the air. And since we're heating with a wood stove, and even though I had the door closed, I want to keep that mist or overspray to a minimum. And the 3M does a little bit better job at that. In case you're interested, here's exactly how I sprayed the base coat and the clear coat. Here's the exact materials used for the base coat and the exact materials used for the clear coat. I hope you enjoyed this video on spraying the AMX. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.